Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Temperatures a bit milder this morning. A lot of numbers staying up closer to 50 or way up into the 40s at least. I'm expecting daytime highs to get way up into the 60s. Might even flirt with 70 in a few spots this afternoon. And then overnight tonight, we'll keep those temperatures much more mild as we continue to increase the clouds and as we continue to bring in the warmer, more humid air from the south. Some of the clouds already starting to take over the skies, and they're going to increase throughout the day today. A lot of temperatures are going to be 45 and up this morning. I see 46 in Thomasville, 48 in Tallahassee and in Valdosta. Those dew point numbers, they're climbing too. It's not going to feel like middle of summer when we start talking about increasing humidity, but it is going to be enough when we keep the clouds around and we start to set things up to get some more showers. And I do think the best chance for showers is still going to be Sunday, but I can't rule out an isolated sprinkle or two on Saturday or even today. But I'm not counting on it. I don't expect to find our area getting wet today or tomorrow very much at all. But I do think Sunday could be a pretty soggy one. Here are some of the numbers around the region. 42 in Marianna, 43 in Bainbridge, 44 at Camilla. Quincy's checking in at 45. It's 49 in Perry and 53 at Apalachicola, the warm spot around. There's going to be a little bit of a breeze out there. Right now it's kind of variable. It'll eventually be more from the southeast and south to bring in that warmer and more humid air. So far so good. All the visibility numbers better than 7 miles. We like it when it's like that. Maybe a little more patchy fog likely tomorrow morning. The clouds started yesterday afternoon, last night. They're going to continue for the next 2 days. There's a little bit of energy out here to our west. There's a boundary way out west. That's what will be able to ring the showers from the clouds as high pressure finally moves away. And we're going to have a day or two where we really establish that return flow from over the Gulf to bring in that warm, humid, unstable air. So when this boundary gets here and that energy associated with it gets here, not only are we talking about decent chances for some soaking showers, but maybe also some stronger thunderstorms mixed in there. I think the better chances for showers start out west tomorrow, but they find our area probably before lunch on Sunday. Here's the futurecast. You see that for today, it's more about clouds. Same tonight. A couple of sprinkles in spots, especially west. As we go through the day Saturday, maybe a few more of those sprinkles. But it really feels like once we get to 7, 8, 9 o'clock Sunday morning, and I expect that time to change a little bit. But once we get to Sunday morning, now that boundary comes through the area, that's when we have our best chance to get wet. Can't rule out a couple of thunderstorms mixed in there, and things should move fairly quickly, so we start to turn those winds back around by Sunday night and bring in the cooler, drier air to start off a much brighter work week on Monday. So this is not going to be one of those systems that lingers for 3 or 4 days like last weekend. This is going to be some showers, some storms, maybe a couple of downpours, and then gets out of here. On the Gulf today, southeast winds 8 to 18, seas 2 to 4 feet. We'll go with a light to moderate chop in the protected waters. 40s this morning. We increase the clouds, we increase the temperatures. No reason we don't get to the middle and upper 60s today. We'll call that mild. And then tonight, going to stay a bit more mild still. Mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the 50s. The 7-day forecast continues with the warm numbers, I think all the way through Sunday. But we start to cool off on the other side of those shower chances. Does feel like a very December-ish forecast for next week, though. A very bright forecast for next week.